Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna do a quick install video. I got some puddle lights or courtesy lights, not too sure, the ones that go on the doors on the Lexus. They display the emblem and the name, so we're gonna have to run in the store, so it's gonna be pretty quick, simple install. Let's get to it. So these are the lights right here. I got 4 of them, but the car only has 2 on the front, driver and front passenger. So I have an extra one. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with that. So they were like $16, I think. So they come like, you have the projectors to project them. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I do not like red, so I'll try and get away from the red. And I seen these, instead of just having a bright white light or LED light, I've seen that they had some projector ones that project the name Lexus and the logo. So for install, you can get a flat head, or you can just go from the bottom, reach under here and pull it, and it comes right out. And there's this tab right here. You just push that down and you can pull this light out like that. So it goes in like this. I'm just gonna take one out and then replace it. It does come with some extra wire, I guess, in here too, but we don't need that. So this is the stock one, and this is our projector one. And also with these projectors, I guess you can adjust them so they can be clear, I guess, when they light up on the ground. You can adjust the light. So that's interesting, but we can't adjust it now because it's daytime, and I'll do another video tonight showing them what they look like. So the install is pretty simple. Just put that wire you pulled out, clip it back in, and there you go, it works. I think you can see it in my hand. I think it'll be big when it lights up tonight. And then you just push it back in, and there you go. So we'll do an update tonight when it's dark, and we'll test them out and see if we need to adjust them. So here's the lights. Sorry, I just got done eating, but there it is. It's a little distorted right here, so I'm gonna have to adjust it, but I'm not gonna do that now. There's like, you can adjust the projector so you can make these things work better. Work better, so it can shine better and it won't be distorted right here. But you can see it looks pretty good. Let's check the other side. It's pretty big. So yeah, that was the install. So thanks for watching.